Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Now, first of all, the reason why I have a beanie on is because I don't want you guys to see the ending result of my hair. Please stay until the end because it's not what you expect. It wasn't what I expected. So that's why I tucked in all my hair into my head. Judging's for losers, so let's not do that. Before we hop into today's BLACKPINK hair dyeing video, I'm partnered with Savage X. As you guys can tell, I'm super excited because body positivity has always been a big thing on this channel. All we're gonna do is continue embracing our love handles, our rolls, and our no but. Be nice to ourselves and we're not gonna be sorry. Yeah, that's the attitude from Savage X Fenty. Why am I so excited that we're working with Savage X Fenty? 1, diversity. 2, inclusivity. 3, you're a bad bitch. The icon, the queen herself, Rihanna, was the one that founded Savage X Fenty in 2017. She came in with the mission to disrupt the lingerie industry, and she's like, no, all inclusivity and self-expression. Savage X Fenty offers hundreds of bras, bralettes, undies, sleepwear, lingerie. They range from extra small all the way to 3X and a 32A all the way to a 42H. Like, hello? Like Rihanna told me. Okay, not just me, like everyone. Savage X means making your own rules and expressing your mood, your character, your style for you and not someone else. I mean, we've seen it in the press. CNN, Vogue, Fashion United. Her lingerie has become so worldwide. It's paving its way. It's changing traditional, idealistic lingerie body types. We Lindas on this channel and Savage X Fenty, we're all about empowerment and self-confidence. Savage X Fenty is different from all your other competitors. Did you not hear me earlier? There's variety, smooth, comfortable, supportive, and everything is under $50. Think about that. Right now you can get 2 bras for $29 plus 50% off everything with your first VIP order. You can get undies as low as $7, bralettes for $10, bras for $15, and sleepwear for $17. Are you listening? She really said, keep your coin. Enjoy this quality. The things she does for us. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably saw that I wore this cotton essential bralette in purple fairy dust. I love bralettes that are unlined, so it doesn't have that wiring to make you feel uncomfortable. It's super cute and also stretchy. It has a 2-layer front support, so you don't have to worry about anything spilling out or things out of place. We like our chesties behaved sometimes. Of course, had to pair it up with the Cotton Essential Cheeky Undies, again in purple fairy dust. I love how soft this is and just how it cuddles your love handles. It's like a big hug. Next up, I have this Candy Hearts Unlined Lace Balconette bra, and the reason why I went with this Balconette shape on the cup, I have very pear shape chesticles. If you're like me, they kind of fall to the sides, sag. It's okay. I recently found out that the best shaped bras for chesticles like mine are Balconette bras. They really push the sides, keeping it meaty but not underexposing, so you still look plumped. Plus, it's gonna be Valentine's soon, so we like a little see-through lace going on here. Which reminds me, I got these heart glitter pasties, also in the color Goji Berry Red. These are gonna be so fun to just plop on so you don't get a nip slip, so you can wear it under your lingerie. Speaking of, Savage X Fenty sent me this, a garter. I don't even know how to wear garters. And I'll be a little cheeky, even though I have no butt. That's okay. Who says you can't wear a garter? I think we can all say there's such a big struggle for girls who have heavier chests to find the perfect strapless bra. So here I am introducing the new strapless bra in Honey Nude. Again, it's a balconette shape, so it's gonna push the meat from the side and plump up a juicy meal right in the center. Oh, I love that there are straps so you can wear it as a normal bra if you want, which I will. It has hidden interior bony technology. That's why it's bulletproof. Last but not least, I wanted to share with you the perfect little black bra. This is the new Microfiber Balconette bra. Again, Balconette. I love how it has this scoop neckline to just really scoop and keep everything in. I just love how smooth and slick and shiny this is. It's just so cooling and comfortable. You just can't go wrong. How do you become an extra VIP member and enjoy the perks? Well, let me tell you. This is very different from other monthly subscriptions because there's no commitment to buy or spend. And there's no minimum amount you must spend every month. So if you don't want to spend something this month, you can skip it for next month or however long you want to skip your months. Most importantly, you will not be charged. You buy what you want, you don't have to pay whenever you don't want to shop. As an extra VIP, you'll save 25% on every style every day and free shipping over $49 on your order. You get access to specialty price VIP sets and you get first dibs on new drops. VIPs also get access to limited edition extra VIP monthly curated boxes by Rihanna or a guest. And lastly, you get 30-day fit guarantee where you can return an item within 30 days for free. Click the link down below, girl. I know you want want to go shop, go crazy, you're sexy. It's 2021. Take a cute photo in lingerie, okay? Okay, now I'm ready to dye my hair. Are you? Yes, we all are. To be really honest, I have a really big face, as you can tell. This color is just starting to really blend in with my skin tone, making my face look even whiter. And plus, it has grown out so much, it looks kind of funky starting from my eyebrows down. To have a better framed face and maybe help make it look a little slimmer. Jennie, we love Jennie. She's so influential. Did y'all subscribe to her new YouTube channel? Well, go ahead and do that. Yes, I'm promoting her. No, she did not pay me. We're just friends. Just kidding. Because I do have lighter ends, hopefully this color will like snatch on and have a nice blend for my dark roots. Look at the under parts of my hair. Yeah, we're turning all of this into this. I can't wait. I should have brought a comb, huh? I need a comb. So you get this bottle, which I'm pretty sure you just saw. So this is the Serum Treatment. We're not gonna use that yet. So there are no English directions, which is great. Okay. She's blind. There are pictures right here. Put these three together. She can't read and she can't interpret pictures. That's just great. Okay, we're gonna open this up. Wait, ooh, I don't think I was supposed to shake it. I'm gonna put this in here. And now for the big pack of jelly. Kidding. Do the same thing. Put this into here. I'm kidding. So just want to add your pee into this. This smells like literal shit. Like a quiet fart. You know, could this be expired? This has been sitting in my room for like a couple years now. Are there directions in this bag? Oh, picture directions. This is indicating for us to test it on our skin. Too late for that. Oh, picture directions. Yes, this was what I was looking for, honey. We're gonna put on our little apron and our gloves. Okay, I feel like this is old. Like, oh well. Don't comment what you think this is, but what do you think this is? What is this? Found a thumb. Found it. Looks just like my hands. Remember when I wore it like this? Stupid. Okay. Not too tight. Don't want to die. Perfect. Apparently you don't want to shake this like this or like this. You want to sway, sway. And I swear last time I was like, sway for only 26. 9, 10, 11, 8. I love that this is a foam. It should be easier to lather all over your head. Say goodbye to this hair. Hopefully we'll get more suitors in after this transformation. Half and half ourselves. Keep your bottle flat and pump it out, but you know. Why is this blue? I guess we're going blue and purple with our hair. Ew, it smells like fish. I don't really need to focus on the root. It's already dark. I'm hungry. 2 pumps. Do I need to shake it more? What if this explodes? Wham bam in your face, babe. Okay. Ow. It's going dark. Oh my god. Wait, was that the first half? I really have no hair. She said quality alert. Leave our crown for a little later. Oh yeah. It's like the longer you do this, the more numb you become to the smell. Do I want chicken today? Ooh, that was a good smear. Oh yeah. Remember there was that one rumor that Jennie was dating Kai a while ago? I just wanted to let you guys know that if you really think your idols aren't dating, then something's wrong with you. I've heard many stories, girl. So if you were like me once when I forgot 7 dinner dates, it's just a trick. It's a trick. It's 2021. Can we not make it like a taboo thing for idols to date? Girl, I've heard stories about certain members from certain groups being little thoughts. They go around. It's like high school. I mean, get your coin and get your fix, I guess. We're nearing the end. I feel like I barely did anything. Ow, my nail. Wow. Ooh, yes. Oh, wow. We're literally on our last strip. Okay, the back. Does it look okay? Oh no, doesn't it look kind of green to you? Like it kind of has a hint of green. It's like I'm shampooing my hair. Are you sure this is black? Oh, gather my hair. Oh, and just clip it. Oh yeah. Wow. Take off your cape and just kind of wrap it around. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ow. Keep the heat in. We're such hairstylists. You want your hair dyed? Find me at heyitsfei on Instagram. DM me. I'll do your hair for you. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait 30 to 40 minutes, who knows, and then I'm gonna shower, get ready, and then I'm gonna come back with the final look. Bye. Serve me. Yum. Oh my god. We have a major issue. My roots right now are brown. My tips are a mixture of dusty blue, green, yellow. Oh my god. My hair. I was thinking that it'll turn out black. It wouldn't matter anyway. Oh ho ho ho. Oh my god, I look like a witch. So this is the finishing look. Oh my god, it's so weird. The color didn't grasp my ends that well, so you can just see like a tinge of green, blue, gray going on, as you guys can see. Please tell me it looks okay, I don't know. I keep forgetting that these products have some type of bleach in it. Overall, I do recommend the Hello Bubble hair dye. It's super easy to use and it does feel like it covers evenly, but then don't take my word because my hair has been dyed multiple times and it's not virgin hair, so all I know is that it did dye my virgin roots. It's not horrible. I expected this to be darker and now I just have like these two framed silverish-ish blue gray grandma-esque highlights. I shouldn't even be surprised. I don't know, I had high hopes that it was just gonna be a solid color. It looks like I'm wearing a wig. It's definitely not this color. Do I feel like Jennie? I'm far from it. I look like a mom. Please be honest with me. Leave a comment and tell me how I look. It's okay, we're best friends here. We can tell each other, Linda. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me dyeing my hair to look like Jennie. Twins. Guys, is that my twin? I know. Oh my god, I look like Tinkle's mom, the witch. I'm gonna go eat McDonald's. Make sure to like this video if you want me to do more BLACKPINK hair dye. I mean, low-key, I hate it, but I love it. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.